Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use data validation in Excel to form a drop-down list. For example, I will show you how to make a list like this, where you can click on a cell and you have a drop-down option or list where you can select the options. Maybe I want this one to be managing director. Let's say this one to be the consultant, etc, like that. Yes, so I will show you how to do that. So in two ways, the wrong way and the shortcut way. So let's start with the shortcut way. So I will just undo what I've done so that we can go step by step. So to form the drop-down list, the first thing you do is to make sure that you have the list that you want to use. For my case, I want to use this one. I've written the options that I want on the list. I've written them here. So I just select them when that time comes. So the first thing you do is to highlight these cells where you want the option to appear, and then you come here and click on data, and then you come here on data tools, click on data validation, and click data validation. Then it will ask you, then where it says allow, you can come and click here, and you can say list. You want a list to appear there. And then you have to give the source. The source is the option that you want to appear on the list. So I click this arrow arrow, come to where the list is. I highlight all of it, then click here and then click OK. And with that, you have your drop down list. For example, we want this one to be the managing director. It will appear there and you can resize it. You want this, let's say the last person, you want the last person to be the manager. Just click there. Maybe you want this one to be the analyst, like that. And that's how you create the drop down list using the wrong way, whereby you go to data, then data validation, and you select a list here and the source where is. The next step, the next way is the one that will show you the shortcut. And the first thing you do is you highlight this or this cell, then open your keyboard, press Alt, A and V, and here you click on validation, data validation, and here you click on the list, the source, you click on the source where the drop-down list options are, like that, and then you click on OK, and let's say this one, and you can see the first person is the consultant, the next person is the analyst, the next person is managing director, like that. And with that, we have a drop down list. So please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share, and see you soon in another video. Thank you.